Welcome to the Compulsive Investor channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the 1% rule. What is the 1% rule? Put simply, a property must rent for 1% of its total purchase price. So let's take a look at our calculator here. Let's say you purchase a property for $100,000. Multiply that by 1%, so that property must rent for $1,000 a month in order for it to meet the 1% rule. It's that simple. Now, even though this will fluctuate some in different markets, this is why you really need to know your market that you're investing in. The 1% rule is a way for an investor to find out how good of a deal a property is. And this makes some markets more profitable than others. Let's take an example of a property in Akron. Let's say you purchase a property and you do the rehab and your total cost involved is about $50,000. Now you multiply that by 1% and you get $500 a month. So this property must rent for $500 in order for it to meet the 1% rule. Now in Akron, properties rent for $1,000 a month. So it easily goes above the 1% rule. Why is this important? This is important because of asset-based lending. Take a look at my video here I'm going to do in the future on this. With asset-based lending, a property is financed in the name of the entity that owns it. It does not show up on your personal credit file. The loan is qualified by the rental income of that property. And an asset-based lender will not finance, or it will be fairly difficult to get financed if that property does not meet the 1% rule. And you can do as many of these type loans as you want to, versus only being able to have 10 in your personal name. Now you're going to pay a little bit more interest for this type of loan, a couple points more, but it's worth it, especially if you're worried about anonymity. Now this doesn't happen very often, but let's say you get a disgruntled tenant and you have to evict this person. In this world, there are more and more crazy people that you have to deal with. Do you want this person to be able to look on the county website and see your name, your personal address and phone number? Probably not. And this is why an anonymity structure is so important. I'm going to be doing a video on this in the near future. I'll put the link there when it's ready. Now back to the 1% rule. You want to look for markets that have high rent and low purchase prices. Check out my video here on why I like to invest in Akron, Ohio. If you get anything from this video, please like and subscribe down below, and that way you will have this face on your phone every time I have a new video. No, don't do it for that reason. Do it for the reason that you're going to get excellent tips on real estate investing. This is the Compulsive Investor channel.